I think. I get confused. Yeah. Will I officiate your wedding? Does that mean like officiate a wedding? Like marry them?
Be the one, yeah, like be the one.
Or you have to like get licensed to do that? I mean, I guess I would. When's the next banger coming out? I don't know. We did like a nice little like one song every 6 months. But now I think we might make y'all wait a little longer. Don't ignore Johnny's victory. I don't know who Johnny is. Who's Johnny? They said. There's the Bentley. Oh.
So should we give him a Range Rover or what?
That's what I'm thinking. That's what I've been thinking. That's the first thing that popped in my head.
Get something to try.
There's Steve-O's autograph. It looks like a dick because he's a dick.
Fucking Steve-O.
Bro, I got socks on right now. I guess I fell asleep.
Me too.
Oh my god,
socks, dude.
We're the sock gang, yo.
What the fuck is that?
I have no idea. Maybe pull over
I didn't
first.
run over anything.
No, I know. Let me pull over for a second. Let me see what I got.
You gonna go back?
No. I just wanna... There was literally nothing in the road.
No, I think it was probably a neighbor throwing something out.
Yeah, there's motherfucking detail. No, I don't see nothing. What the fuck was
Maybe
that?
it was a neighbor, like, doing something in their yard and it just sounded like we hit something.
Because I can't see anything. There's nothing to the car.
You want me to go back there? There's nothing on the road.
Maybe do a little U just to see if, like, what the fuck that was.
How's the turning radius on this bitch?
Amber Heard lost? Yeah, that's what happens when you lie about people abusing you. They lose, right? Johnny Depp won.
Oh, for real, he did?
Yeah.
That just.
And I just said simply, of course you're gonna lose if you lie about somebody abusing you.
Wait, there's a spoon right there.
Was it the spoon?
I don't know, dude. Look, there's a
It's the spoon.
I bet oh shit, louder than a spoon though. Oh, it's probably this dude making noise, dude.
No, it was the spoon.
The spoon.
I swear there was a spoon. They said both Amber and Johnny lost. Taking his stuff. Yeah, I lie all the time. He got 15 million. Well, he went for 50 million. Got 15 million. Okay. He deserves that. That's what happens when you lie about people abusing you. You're gonna lose, especially when you have the proof. Me personally, I ain't gonna do that. I don't need to. So me and my girl are gonna work out. Yo, should we go to let's go hit up the gas station real quick. I didn't bring in the shirt. I don't know. I feel Karen. They like
I ain't bringing the shoes.
See, you can just say you're wearing Balenciagas, dog.
Right. I know,
yo, these are the new sock Balenciagas, bro. No. Well,
Where do I get
I like that you're cruising the neighborhood, though. Yo, isn't this car chill as fuck, dog?
Yeah, dude.
How much money and love I put in this? Melanie's been telling me for years. Sell it, yeah. She's been like, sell this shit. You put too much love into it, you know what I tell her? I put just as much love into that car as I do fixing that car that I do fixing our relationship.
Dude, that tow truck driver was all about it too.
Oh, he was bugging about the Riviera, y'all. He was like, yo, I can tell that you've done some work to this motherfucker. Armando, his name was. Chill as fuck. He said, have fun storming the castle, boys. That's what we do. Let's get to together and fuck all night. She might have some bangs at the house for us, bro.
Where am I going?
Over here. Oh, he's already gone. Do I even drive laugh out loud? Yeah, I have 5 cars to drive, to not drive.
You going to the store though or not?
Yeah, fuck it, let's go. If you don't mind running into me real quick, please. Bro, I ordered $1,000. That's how much I love those.
That was like a 100-pound box of chocolate.
Are you fucking serious?
I don't know, it felt like it.
Then it probably was. I actually like you driving because I drive it a little bit different. I like the way you're driving it.
Bro, how do you
Yeah, no, just like you're warming it up. Because old school cars, you gotta kind of like let them idle and warm up. Usually like maybe like 10 minutes, but you do it good. It starts right up. It's perfect. Where's the Bentley? My Bentley? If it was up your butt, you know, go right. And now you can step on it if you want. Give it some love. Perfect. Oh, oil pressure's going down quicker too today. It's a little. The oil pressure is taking. Yeah, it's going. It's good. I'm trying to think what video we gotta do in this car, dog. We have to make a whole new song. Louis, you better show up, bro. I'm gonna come find you. Yo, somebody text check and let them know I'm on right now. They said, "What's up, Pete?" Don't disrespect Lil Peep like that. I'm not Lil Peep. Lil Peep is there, Carter. What's up, AK Centric? Who are you, bro? I'm gonna follow you. Me and Check are scary. We're not scary. Similar to this weather, isn't it? Like, it's pure dry, right? No, it's in Texas.
Oh, Texas? Yeah.
Out Texas. So remember, if the S is on, right? It's bad for that. Someone message Melanie and let her know we're leaving. We're taking the Riviera to Fort Worth. She goes, miss you, babe. Where'd you go? Have I been good? Yep, we've been good, man. Me and Danny, bro, we've been chilling.
It's been a great fucking week, man.
Yeah,
it's been great.
Yeah, we've had a good time. We did our show, no rehearsal, mind you.
Shocking.
Got some Texas dates coming up, some pop-up shows, pushing most of the concerts and everything. Man, I should have rolled a blunt so we could have gone through the drive-thru. You can literally park it right in the front of the AM/PM, right in the front, just to stun on everybody. So I do what they gonna do. They love me here. Yeah, right here, right here. Thank you, sweetheart. I put a lot of work into it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you. She said it's badass. Fuck. Do you have a shirt underneath? Can I wear it? Yes, you do.
Hey, you want to wear this?
Yeah. Real quick. Sorry, bro. Sorry. How are you not dying anyway?
Yeah, I don't know. I woke up cold, but now that we're out.
Alright.
There.
Thank you, bro. It's not security guys work. Come on, Zelda. Inside. Come. Zelda, come. Sit. Zelda. Sit. Zelda, sit. Go ahead, son. Go on. Thank you. Zelda, heel. Zelda, heel.
I'm waiting
Heel.
for Shepherd right now at the pound.
I have one. I have 4 right now.
Oh, to keep for yourself, but they're not for sale?
No, they are for sale.
Oh, really?
And she's from Germany, from Nuremberg, Germany, and she's a canine shepherd trained in 3 languages. And then Mufasa is 135 pounds minus sire. Do you want to go see puppies?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Zelda, come. I have 4.
Okay.
I'm sorry, hon. I didn't even see you there. Sorry.
Sorry, I get paid to be in the way.
Oh, that's how I feel sometimes. Zelda, see.
Beautiful.
Oh, you should see her husband.
Oh, wow.
He's beautiful. She's beautiful. Come on, sweetheart. Thank you. You too, ma'am. Zelda, he. Zelda, come. See. Good girl, stay. Up. Go. Zelda, come. Hey, chill. You're good. Hey. Zelda. Sit. Stay there. Thank you. Zelda, kindness people, come. No onions. Hi, Ann, how you doing?
Good.
Can I grab a pack of Newport Longs, please? Zelda, stop. Heel. Yeah, that's one's fine. Zelda, come. Thank you, girl. Come on, Zelda. Come. What's up, guys?
My daughter.
Hi, sweetie. I'm Aaron. My name's Aaron Carter. Nice to meet you.
Candace.
Aaron, nice to meet you.
Can I pet?
Of course. I'll show you. Yep. Zelda. Yep. So put your fist down like this. This is something. So I have the best. So like I said, she was like 17 grand. Came from Germany for protection for me
Yeah.
as a canine. She's a canine sheriff unit. You can see the dad too. You see the puppies. So just follow me.
Wait, how much are they though? Just kind of.
I can. What's your price range?
Well, our price range is about 200. That's all we had. That's why we're pound bound.
Okay, then I'll do it for you.
Are you serious?
I'm selling them for $4,000, but I'll do you for 200. Why not? It's a good deed.
Oh my God! Yeah, this
Come
could be a service dog for her.
actually.
For you? It's gonna
Yes.
I'm gonna own her.
What's your name?
Sage.
Sage?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that was my ex-girlfriend's
Oh my
name when I
God.
was 19.
Are you
Alright,
serious?
so I'm on Instagram. Look, say hi.
Hi.
So I'm a singer.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Come. Yeah. I did. How old are you?
18. 19. Sorry.
Okay, so you might not know me, so that's okay. But I'm a singer. I did a song back in the day. You might have known called "I Want Candy."
When I first saw you, I thought you looked familiar, but I wasn't sure, so I just gotta.
I'm a Carter brother. My brother's in the Backstreet Boys. I'm Aaron. He's Nick.
Let's go.
Yeah. Follow me. I'll give you your dog for $400.
How about 3? I mean.
No problem.
All right, I have to go.
You got any more?
I do.
Yeah?
They're just about to come right now.
Oh, okay.
To my house.
I have Frenchies, but the thing is, I moved out of my mom's, but
Okay.
I wanted a guard dog for her.
I have the best of the best guard dogs.
A male?
I do have a male.
How much?
I mean, they're going for.
I don't mind. No, I own Frenchies. I don't mind numbers.
They're going for 4,000, but I can do like 2,000.
All right.
1,000. What can you do? Tell me what you can do.
The good one, maybe like 25.
2,500?
Yeah.
They're AKC registered.
Yeah.
She's from Germany.
Oh,
And wait till you see Mufasa, the dad.
All right.
Just follow me. They're following me. Follow me.
What's your you on Instagram?
No, I mean follow me to the house. I live right over here in 70th.
I gotta go to work right now.
Oh, you do? 310. All the puppies are going to be about the size of my sire, Mufasa, and he's 125-pound long-haired.
Nice.
He's huge. He's 3 times bigger than her.
Wow.
So just let me know.
I will.
And then I'll text you pictures.
All right. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Zed, come. Bro, I just sold 2 puppies right now.
Oh shit.
Come on, inside. Yeah. The cat is
Real?
And I'm gonna sell her one for $300, just because it's for her daughter, because she needs a service dog, her daughter. So even though I'm selling them for like 3, 4. All right, so let's go. Back up a little bit, and they're gonna follow us because it just warmed my heart, because she's like, yeah, it's for her daughter, who is like needs a service dog. So I was like, I'm not. And they obviously, they said they were going to go to that pound and adopt. I'm like, no.
We got 4 pups, right?
But we got 4. Yeah, we got 4 pups left. So, and then this other dude's going to give me $2,500.
So that's gonna. Alright. I'm still taking midnight?
Of course you are. Midnight's yours.
So then that means
No, that means there's only 3 left. Yeah, midnight's yours. Yeah, are you kidding me? No, so he's keeping midnight. She's the cream of the crop of the litter. So left. Yeah, midnight's the cream of the crop. They don't get much better than her, to be honest. But that's why Danny gets her.
right. It's like I'm already getting attached to midnight, bro.
Oh, she's yours. Nobody's taking midnight. No. Mm-mm. They're looking for a male.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Look, they're like, yay, we love midnight.
Bro.
Yeah.
Dude, she's so sweet, dude.
Tell me I'm not a good person. A service dog for her daughter who's 18 years old. Well, I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna ask why. I think that's a little uncanny and rude. But why not? Do a good deed today. Woke up, we did a good deed. Don't you think we did a good deed?
Oh yeah, dude.
But you see how Zelda was with me in the store? That's how Midnight's gonna be with you. You can take her anywhere you want, and no one can say anything. I already have the registration for it. Yeah. Like, they're badass. That was a nice gesture. Oh, thank you. They're actually literally behind us driving to
Yeah,
There's just one car behind. Can't miss this car, though. Someone said do something good every day. How about you do something good every day? Because I do. As Danny does. We do every day of our lives. Someone said adopt, don't shop. I do adopt. Danny got one adopted to him, but they're paying $300. I don't need to do a home check. I can tell the energy of somebody that's a lovely mother and a lovely daughter, and they're getting a service dog. So they're probably going to end up taking the money, most of the money they can to get their dog trained. So why not? Like, and then another guy just sold one right to him.
When's he
breeds Frenchies.
When's he coming?
He's going to text me and hit me up. He's already. He already like confirmed basically that, and he said $2,500. So I'm like, alright, cool. That's a nice adoption fee. Appreciate it. Put it into shipping and handling for merch for apparel. Melanie's gonna be like, who is Pete?
I know.
But Danny, like, wait till you guys in like 6 to 8 months. Wait till you see Midnight. Wait till you see Midnight. You're gonna be blown away. She's gonna look like Mufasa, hair, and big, bro. Like, people are always gonna tell you, oh, that dog's a boy, huh? And you're like, no. And the fact that you're getting a bitch, you want a bitch because they're the ones that'll fuck you up. That's why they call you a bitch.
She's gonna get along. I'm sure that my mom's dog's gonna love Midnight too.
Oh.
He's just like Mufasa. You've seen him. He's a big. No. My mom's dog.
Yeah.
My mom has a boy who's like about a year and a half right now.
Is he not neutered?
He's not neutered.
Perfect. You guys can breed.
He's long hair.
All I ask is that you give me one pick of the litter.
Of course.
That's it.
Of course.
Because they're gonna have puppies.
100%. Oh, I know.
By the time she's about maybe 10, 11 months.
Yeah.
First little litter will be small.
Yeah.
Then the second litter will be big. Oh my God.
No, I'll show you, dude. I'll show you my mom's dog right now. He looks. Just like Mufasa.
Yo, bro, I have all these accounts like spamming like probably bad shit. I don't know. You tell me what that shit says. No, Parker. Yeah, they can park on the side. I gotta get the new Banshee seat, bro. My shit's ripped up. The fuck? Open the door from the outside. I gotta twist the handle. All right, about to do a really good deed here. Yo, can you grab those two for me, please? My hands are full. Can you welcome them in so I can go let Melanie know? I'm giving them one for $300 because it's for special needs for her daughter, and then another guy stopped me. He's gonna pay me $2,500.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah, and so they're coming in the house.
Oh, cool. Hello, guys.
So this is my wife.
Hi. Hi, sorry, I just...
This is Melanie.
Sage. Hi, nice to meet you.
This is Sage. This is her mother. Oh yeah, your hair is dope.
Nice to
Oh, wow.
meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Do you guys care if I film? I want to do like a YouTube channel.
Of course
for,
you
like,
can.
Her whole upbringing and stuff, and like her journey.
The dog.
Absolutely. I can send you videos too of her birthing.
Yes.
I have the birth, like a time lapse of all the puppies coming out from the beginning to the end. So all the paperwork. So
Okay, yeah.
so come out to the back. Is Mufasa cage?
Let me.
Hold on, let her check on them out there.
They're ready. Okay, maybe you guys want to come outside first?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they'll just stamp.
No, I got them. Yeah. Back up.
Oh my gosh. We were on our way to the
Film all you want. Go ahead.
to look
Yeah,
for a dog.
and then I said, she's like, you know, they were gonna adopt. I was like, no, I got one for you.
Oh, because you brought Zelda in the car.
Yeah, I know. Behaved
Yes.
as per usual.
My daughter's crying really.
He's gonna be a big boy. He's already huge. Hi guys. So they've been doing perimeters. I've been training them with mostly Zelda to do perimeter checks. They're outside all the time.
Okay.
They got shade all the time, you know. So they have full, like, you can legally, if they have a pool of water, then it's legal. That's legal.
Okay.
For access for water if they want. But so they just come out here, they play, they rip up holes, you know. I let them do what they want. But their main jobs are a perimeter right here, and they're dirty right now. They,
Stuff like this doesn't happen.
we were just me and my buddy too, because I'm a singer. We were driving around, and I was like, let's go to the gas station. I want to get a bang. And then another guy, I sold another one to another guy right there, right after you guys.
Yeah, I saw him pull up. Yeah.
So, it's you. Oh wow. So remember, these kind of dogs, they're not your typical German Shepherds. They're your leader. In their blood, because Zelda's pedigree goes back like almost 100 years of breeding. I can show you the AKC registrations.
Wow.
And Mufasa's goes back really. Yeah, they're very Go get in and see what those guys. If she thought this is the other little boy. So
Oh, I like you. Hello.
you like him?
Yeah.
Oh,
There you go.
Oh.
yeah. Because you waited a minute to see who would come.
Yeah. Oh, the two boys. Hi.
Asa. She's trained in 3 different languages.
Yeah.
She's getting that.
Thank you so much.
Just how they are, you know. I'll send you all the stuff. For your use.
They'll be, you know what I mean?
Get him home. When you take him home today,
Yeah.
he's gonna be let him. Go in the house, okay? And to have a crate. It's actually better with German Shepherds to not crate them.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I think
So
just hold them.
you just hold him and then just get a bed. Make sure you get the biggest one that you can and be stern about it. Say, go to your bed, because once you start, you know, kind of commanding your dog, they want to work for your affection and your attention. So avoid treats. High-pitched sounds like good boy. Like that's the same thing as a treat. And no, bad. That's a command saying you're bad. So that never do treats.
Okay.
Ever. So, and then as he gets older, you put him on a raw diet, I suggest.
That's,
which means
That's
yeah.
what you did
I
before.
did that for
Yeah.
a dog that I had, and it was
Okay.
10 times better. Yeah.
Yep. And then, you know,
Yeah,
You-
there you go. You,
yeah. So I can go give him a bath if you want, or you can take him home and bathe him yourself. It's actually
you've
smart.
done so much already. You don't have to give a bath. He's
No,
okay.
okay.
Yeah.
But let me make sure my wife.
Oh, that's it. Right there, and he came back to you. He knows. That's it.
She always does this. She locks me out of my.
Wait, which one is he?
Thank you, Morgan.
We're back there making
Come here. I want you to meet. So she has special needs.
See.
And giving her a free dog.
All right.
This is my manager. This is Morgan Matthews.
Hey.
Sage, my daughter, Canada.
He produces for people like Alicia Keys. He's my producer and my manager.
Which dog did you like?
She's taking
I saw
the
that
boy.
one licking here.
She's taking the smaller male. I think the B and all that, and that's why I have.
This is why you got those dogs.
There you go. Didn't I tell you that?
And they can tell when the first time I started coming, whenever somebody bad was around, right, Melanie, it would come after them.
Yeah, Zelda would. Nope. Zelda will come up to somebody and she'll snip you in the ass if she doesn't like you.
Yeah.
Give me watch. Wolf hug.
They don't do that.
Zelda, seat.
Right.
Seat, watch. Relax. Zelda, seat. Relax. Zelda, seat.
They come
Cut.
from some expensive
Seat.
bloodline. I'm not sure.
No. 9.
He has the
Zelda.
paperwork in there.
Zelda, seat. Relax.
Tell us about
Good
it.
girl.
This is amazing.
You see that?
Yes.
Sit in Platz. And watch this. Go to your crate. Go to your crate. Go to your crate. Zelda. Crate, now. Zelda, back out. Zelda, come.
That's his main one. He takes
Sit.
everything.
Okay.
He takes all
Yeah, that's
And another guy is buying one for $2,500. I just sold one at the gas station. I'm giving them one just out of the kindness of my heart. It's just a good deed.
He's been trying to give these away for a while.
Yeah, and you
I
know
remember
what?
when they were like this big.
No,
They're
he was
barely growing.
Yeah, they're monsters now. And so, like I said, when you take him home, just let him go inside. Make sure you take him out to the bathroom first.
Yes.
Make sure he goes right away. Just wait till he does it. 10 minutes after you feed 10 minutes after you feed them, they're gonna go to the bathroom. About 5 to 10 minutes after you water them, they're gonna go pee. So keep that in mind. So as they get older, it goes by weight.
Maybe just give them a bath the first thing that you do, you know?
Yeah, well, a bath is gonna create a good bond with you and the dog. So the first thing you do is give him a bath.
I like this one.
After he looks around.
Oh, Nala. Nala loves you.
Around and then give him a bath.
Yeah, but the reason why is because they've already been taught to do. Perimeters out here.
Okay.
Signed to my record label.
Yeah.
So, and we just went for a ride, and I was like, let's go to the gas station real quick, and I got a couple bangs, and then you were there, and she talked to me, she's like, your car's badass. I was like, oh, thanks, girl. And then, I don't know how we got to talking about shepherds.
You brought your dog with you.
Yeah, and then I think you just kind of knew, like, for some reason.
I don't know.
You were like, do you have any puppies or something? And I was like, yeah, I have.
I couldn't believe the shepherds. Like,
and then she was like, oh, I'll give you some, I'll offer money. And then I was like, okay, $300, that's fine. And I'm like, no, you can have him for free. He's absolutely, I mean, look at that face.
Gorgeous.
You gotta understand, the mom was raised in Germany, Zelda. So Zelda was raised, I bought her at 1.5 years old. Trained with 20 commands in 3 languages.
That's so cool.
Russian, German, and English.
Wow.
So I just spoke to her in German and Russian. So like 9 is like no, Platz is down. Like she does seat. Seat is it's the German word for it, and then her attack command is Fass. So FASS. She's like, hi, baby. Yeah. That's the other boy too. So you just, yeah. This one's really got a nice demeanor. Oh, look at that! Wow, look at that. Oh, okay, come on inside. Stay out, guys.
Yeah, okay. Wait.
9. No, Zelda, come in. Okay. Hey, baby. Can you just get the paperwork and everything so they can just take pictures? Shot records. I think I have them over here. That's Sapphire.
Oh my god, they're so big now. You guys want to like follow up?
Yeah.
That's where we go.
And they're not shipped yet because, we were planning on adopting them out like this. So,
Okay.
you can go and then you can, is it under my name or yours, mine? Yeah, so under mine, you can let them know it's me. So I legally have a hobby breeder's license in the state of California. So I can legally do that. That's why all my dogs are not neutered or spayed.
Yeah.
I would suggest, not getting them neutered, but
That's what I was thinking too.
You know,
Because of the bloodline, I mean.
well, because what it does is it creates more protection and aggression towards an intruder or somebody for you. Doesn't mean that you can't have control, but I do recommend having them harnessed, getting them harnessed, not a regular collar.
Yes, I agree.
Get them harnessed, and then make sure you're going to get it service registered.
Yes.
So, and it's going to be very easy to do because of the bloodline stuff. And then,
He's like a big baby.
Mike,
He is a big baby. Look at him. Look at his paws. You're so gorgeous. You're so gorgeous. He loves you already.
that's
That's a good dog.
Oh, I know. And he's, look at that. I mean, I'm telling you, they're brilliant. So they got the brute strength and for Mufasa and size, and then they got these. Look at him. Look at him up there.
I know, he's huge.
Isn't he
He's
beautiful?
gorgeous.
And then they got the brains of Zelda. Hopefully. Mufasa's good.
You needed a big dog too.
Yeah.
Something that's gonna help.
Oh my God, he's so beautiful with you. I'm like, oh, this warms my heart.
Updates all the time on him.
Oh, Sapphire. Oh, yeah.
I gotta show
That'll be
everybody
in the-
this
in the
picture.
lunch.
Look at that.
Yeah.
And look how big he is. He's only 4 months.
He's gonna be so big.
I know, it's perfect.
He's the same size as Mufasa when we got Mufasa. So he's gonna be very, very big.
Him to be the size of that.
I would recommend sticking with Blue right now, so you don't switch up the.
We're gonna go get all that right now.
So Blue,
Yeah.
get get a medium size harness. He's already ready for a medium. I would grab a large one too, or I would actually grab like a large and then an extra large. But get him because he's gonna be extra. Yeah.
Yeah.
So stick with the Blue right now, and then when he gets about 3 months from now, change him to a raw diet
Okay.
right away.
Yes.
So give him that blood, so he gets that taste in him, and then after, because you're getting it service registered, you shouldn't have a problem having them get neutered or spayed.
Okay.
So here's the paperwork. So here's the AKC. Oh, so cute.
He looks like an employee almost.
They're going to A1.
Yeah.
You're so happy.
You're so good.
We'll build a hole in one day.
I know. You got a good
Zelda
home.
knows what's up.
Yeah, see how she's getting in between? Oh, I know, buddy. It's okay. You can have a good time. You can go home.
Zelda, babe.
What? They're just German Shepherds. They're just playing. That's their whole thing. They love to dig. They love to burrow. They love to hide bones. Look how he is
We have an
gorgeous.
So
Yeah.
we got lots of room.
You do?
Yeah.
That's great.
Lots of room to run. Yeah.
All fenced in?
Yep.
Yes.
Okay,
All fenced
perfect. So, but let the perimeter, and today, let him go in, because he's actually a little bit warm. He's not trained, He is trained, so I'll tell you the commands that they have. So he has go to his crate. So if you get a crate, that's fine. You can get a big one.
Yes.
Okay? And then get the food. Put the food in the crate and say, go to your crate. They'll go to the crate with the food. Then what you do is you take away the crate, get the bed, and then go to your bed and go to your crate are the same thing in their dog's mind because they don't understand words. They understand tonalities, right? And diction. That's what they like, syllables and stuff like that. That's what they understand. They don't understand your words.
Yeah.
So when you do the go to your crate, then you do the you know already?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's because they're alerting.
That's
to
that
something going on.
part.
Yeah.
That they do.
Yep. That's and then they're already messing with their daddy. So I had to keep them away from their daddy for about 3 months because they weren't big enough, and he would whoop their ass and hurt them. So, but yeah. So anyway, I was saying about the crate. So the crate, use it for a while. At nighttime, I would either. So he'll snuggle with you in the bed all night. They burrow in the pillows. So
pressure therapy is part of it. So that's perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, exactly. Because this calms down blood pressure in the pet. So, as you guys know, and cats too. But with dogs, this will, So I have high blood pressure and anxiety and stuff like that. So my German Shepherd goes everywhere with me. She goes everywhere, and he will go everywhere with you. And so just do the crate. Just I suggest get a crate. You only use it to feed him in. And then leave him in the crate after. He might get a little, whimpery. That's fine. Leave him alone. Don't go to him when he's whimpering, or else he's going to have he's going to know all I have to do is be annoying, and I'll get your attention, and then I'll get you. He'll get you. So just let him whine a little bit, kind of like cry training with a baby, Look at that. That's so cute. Oh, he knows. Oh, he loves you. That's so beautiful. Oh, my God. So, I'm just gonna, hey, babe? Huh? Babe? Can you just write out something and print it up so we can sign with the signatures that we adopted?
Adopted them? Okay.
Yeah, just, their names. We need their address and their names. Okay, so I'm gonna need a couple things from you guys, just for precautionary measures, because of how breeding works.
Yes.
Proper breeding. Not backyard breeding.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need your address and your name.
Okay.
First and last name, both of you.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna sign as the main owner. You're gonna be co-owner,
Okay.
and then you're gonna take full responsibility for everything with the dog. But look how fat. You see how well fed they are.
Yes.
Yeah. I mean.
Yeah, her other dog went to school with her and everything. So he's going to be doing all of it.
He's going to be allowed to, and with this pedigree. So I want you to take. Listen, I want you to take a picture of both of these. So this is Zelda's. What?
I still
This
have
okay.
them, but
Do you have your camera in your hand?
She has the phone.
Okay, so this is Zelda's background.
Okay.
So look, she comes from Germany. Mindy von Johnny, Mentos Osterberger.
Wow.
Like literally, look at her background. All Germany names.
Wow.
So Mufasa. This is Mufasa. So American Kennel Club, boom, boom, boom. Comes from all these back.